First, before this video starts, I would like to remind you that please do some research before investing your money. This video is only for education purposes only. Thanks. First, make sure you have got Trust Wallet. Next, open the apps and within it click pancakeswap next. Before we proceed to buy any tokens, you must have BNB Smart Chain. Copy and paste contact address from description below. Make sure to adjust slippage rate, normally 12% works. Play around with it. And then click buy. For me, I don't have enough BNB, it should work for you. If you encounter any problems, let me know in comment section below. If you see this